Hello everybody, I'm going to do a quick review on a little highpoint 955 TS. It's a pretty reliable gun, got 600 rounds through it. I got the folding front grip, I got the dual mag holders. Put this little oversized charging handle on here. Got painted the whole front end down here with high heat charcoal paint, semi-gloss to match the rest of it. Got a little light on here from, I think it's a UTG light, cheap light. But for this gun right here, for highpoint, it's really, I can always say it's reliable. Everybody mocks highpoint, well, I wouldn't mock them at all. It's like I said, I got 600 rounds, not one jam, Winchester white box from Wally World. I'm not going to put no optics on here. I like the iron sights. The iron sights are dead on. So it's a pretty good little gun. I'm gonna do a little review on this little light, but other than that, highpoint 955 TS tactical stock. Made a pretty decent gun. A little on the heavy side, but hey, it's well worth it. 229 bucks is what I pay for it. So, and I got the charging handle. I got that little thing off eBay. It's a lot better than the one that came on it. I can tell you that. Your finger's not getting pinched. But other than that, it's a really nice gun.